All right, I thought of doing a short recording on how to get the FEAR package. So you can just go to Google and type Paul Wilson. Professor Paul Wilson is the one in charge. I've already gotten his name. So I'm just going to just go to his webpage. And when you get to his webpage, which is at Clemson University, it brings you to this section here. Now, at his website, you can see one of the links is FEAR Frontier Efficiency Analysis with R. And this is a 2020 version. Click on that. And when you do, it will take you to this webpage. He has a short paper which you can read. When you click on that short paper, you will have some information, which is a bit of a long time ago, but again, some information about it. Then the key one is a current software package. Now it normally is red in color, but because I've clicked it already, it shows kind of gray. Click on that package, and then accept, read the license, and then accept the license. Accept terms and conditions of the whole thing. Let me just see if I can use this annotation to help us in our movement. So you get that information here, you click, and then once you do that, it will take you to the main website. You can click to obtain the printable version of the license. Okay. He also gives you a website where you can download R, because you know that this is a package used inside of R. There are several other packages that you can actually go for. The current version for Windows, and it's indicated that Windows 8 and earlier versions are not supported. You will click on this current version. Okay. And you can save it in your computer somewhere. It's a zip file. So you save it in your computer as a zip file. And there's a manual and an installation instruction. So you click on the installation instruction. It's a PDF installation instruction. And this PDF installation instruction will guide you in the process of installing this. Okay. Sometimes packages in R, you download them from the packages in R directly. But this is not that straightforward. So you have to read the instruction on how to install this package in R so that you can get yourself well and properly started in that direction. Okay. So once you have this downloaded, and remember to download it into the folder. So I'm just installing it into the folder that I'm using. Then you can go back and then get a manual. This is an actual manual, 2020 August 31. You get a manual, and then you can save this FEAR manual also in there. So you've got everything that you need to do from the website. You can now leave the website and then go and then follow the instruction and then install this very package as it's supposed to be. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so we are now inside the R Studio or the R interface. And this is the R console. Forget about what I've done here. We are inside this R. What we are now going to do is a very simple thing. We're going to now bring the FEAR package into this R. How do you do that? You click on install. Then in this install, usually for most packages, you type the name of the package. Okay, type the name of the package, then install, and then FEAR would have shown. But unfortunately, like I indicated, it's not inside. So you use a different approach, not through the repository, but through a package archive. Okay, so I click on the package archive, and then it takes me straight to where I want to do the installation. Now, this package in particular, I have saved it in a certain folder. Okay, and I just want to choose that folder. This is a folder, the URL of the folder. Okay, so I'm just going to look for the FEAR, and you can see that this is a FEAR zip file that I had before, okay, that I installed. I downloaded. So I would click it. And the moment you click, it shows now in the browser package. And you can now click install. So let's do that. Click install. Now, how do we know that it's already now installed? Well, now check in the section there. The moment you start typing, you see the name, FEAR Frontier Efficiency Analysis without, you can see it right there. And this gives you a browser package to where you actually got it from. Okay. If you want to invoke the FEAR, if you want to use it, at any time you click on this, or you can even type library FEAR into the command window at the top. You can do that. And just click that. And once you click that, you now get the information, FEAR Frontier Efficiency. This is a license, okay? And you are told type FEAR license to view the software license, type FEAR.site to view the way of citing it, okay? And then you can now detach the FEAR if you have to. Now there's a package called benchmarking in my case. So you can detach benchmarking and then attach FEAR. Okay. These detach and attach situations are commands that we always use in R if you are familiar with R. Okay. Please, if you are not familiar with R, try and get the basics of R and then just watch it on any YouTube page. And then you can now proceed with getting the work. So now that FEAR is already now here, we can proceed. Now, one thing you can do is that proceed by typing your commands and then find the results. So this video is just to show you how you can install FEAR, or you can add FEAR as a package to your app. Thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel because I've got lots of teaching information to give you.